My name is Sarah Granberg, and I am in the Imaging Sciences program here at Nebraska Methodist College. A little bit about me is that I was born and raised in Rapid City, South Dakota. From there, after I graduated high school, I went to Chadron State College for a couple years for undergrad classes. I then moved to Omaha to go to radiologic technology, and I graduated my associates in August 2018. I then got married on September 22nd of 2018. I started my professional job in October of 2018 at Chadron Community Hospital. I take call and I work 4 days a week, 10-hour days. I will graduate August of this year with my bachelor's in imaging sciences. A leader I admire would be Shailene Woodley. She's an environmental activist, and she is part owner in the All It Takes organization. It's a nonprofit organization that cultivates leadership through active individual and team training. Their youth leadership programs teach young people at a critical life stage to practice honor, acceptance, compassion, and respect in order to create sustainable, positive change among their peers, family members, society, and the environment. She was honored with the Entertainment Industry Environmental Leadership Award, and she also stood with the Native Americans to protest the North Dakota Access Pipeline. I found a blurb from her from the Times. It says, "I was arrested on October 10th, on Indigenous Peoples Day, a holiday where America is meant to celebrate the indigenous people of North America. I was in North Dakota, standing in a solidarity side by side with a group of over 200 water protectors, people who are fighting the Dakota Access Pipeline." She's not afraid to stand up for what she believes is right, and I admire that.